Ayan, good morning, grade 10. So, for today, i-conduct natin ang ating written works in arts for the quarter 1. So, anong gagawin? Kumuha ng papel habang pinapanood ang video na ito patungkol sa inyong written works sa arts quarter 1. Then, isulat ang tamang sagot sa papel. Then, mamaya, i-encode ang mga sagot sa blankong Google Form in Arts na ipapadala ng inyong guro sa inyong group chat. So, good luck! Simulan muna natin sa principles of design. You need to determine to which principle of arts the following images below by checking the box. So here on the principles of design, kailangan nyo tukuyin kung what category kabilang ang mga images or pictures. Whether it's unity and variety, contrast, balance, emphasis and subordination, scale and proportion, repetition, and rhythm. So without further ado, let's start. For image number 1. I repeat, isulat muna sa papel, then later on, i-encode or checkan sa Google Form ang inyong mga sagot. Image number 2. Image number 3. Image number 4. Image number 5. Image number 6. Image number 7. Image number 8. Starry Night of Vincent van Gogh. Image number 9. Image number 10. For image number 11. Image number 12. Image number 13. Image number 14. Image number 15. So that is for the principles of arts. Let's move on now on the different characteristics of arts from the various art movements. So as you remember, we categorize those different art movements into Impressionism, Expressionism, Abstractionism, optical art, pop art, performance art, and installation art. Let's start with the Impressionism. You need to determine the characteristics of arts used in each image in the Impressionism art movement, whether it's landscape, actual people or figures, or under the modern life subjects. For number 16, saan magpo-fall down ang image? Landscape, actual people, figures, or modern life subjects? Number 17, number 18, pink and blue. Number 19, Argentule. Number 20, for the Impressionism, Neil Irene the Canvas. Next, for number 21 to number 25, this is under the Expressionism art movement. You need to categorize whether the given image is under the Neo-Primitivism, Fauvism, Dadaism, Surrealism, or Social Realism. That is for the image number 21. Image number 22. Image number 23. Image number 24. Image number 25. Next, for the abstractionism, for number 26 to number 30, you need to identify what abstractionism magpo-fall down yung mga image, whether it's cubism, futurism, mechanical style, or non-objectivism. So that is for the image number 26. Image number 27. Image number 28. Image number 29. Image number 30. Next, For number 31 to number 35, you need to identify whether the given image are under the op art, or what we call the optical art, pop art, installation art, or performance art. So that is for the image number 31. Image number 32. Image number 33. Image number 34. And lastly, image number 35. Pag may katanungan sa ating exam, pwede niyong i-message ako or yung guro sa MAPEH. Then, mag-comment sa video kung kayo ay tapos na. At kung meron kayong time, mag-review sa paparating na ating periodical test. So good luck sa inyong long test. And that's for today. Have a good day.